Today on PowerNation Daily, Chevy took a dig at Ford for its birthday of the Mustang. A ruling has been made as a result of the Uber accident involving an autonomous car. A Mustang will now be participating in NASCAR's highest series, the Cup Series. Numbers are saying that ride-sharing and autonomous cars are not taking off. Renting out his car left this guy with high-dollar damage, and it's time for Top 5 Fast Fails, Porsche edition. So let's rock and roll. What's up, guys? I'm Gannon Pritchard. This is PowerNation Daily. Thanks for hanging with us. Hope you're doing fantastic. Got a great show. It's also time for Top 5 Fast Fails, so let's get with it. So Mustang is the butt of a lot of jokes due to car shows and hitting people and all that stuff. But the thing is, Mustang is also selling a lot of cars. They've once again been named the top-selling sports coupe in the world. Ford announced that they sold 125,809 Mustangs in 146 countries. And the legendary pony car is also celebrating the big old 5-4 birthday. It's 54 years old. However, Chevrolet decided to throw a little shade on Ford's parade with its happy birthday video. And it's kind of funny, but I don't know, silly. What do you think about it? If you remember the fatal accident involving a woman in an Uber in autonomous mode, the big question was, who's at fault in this deal? And a federal judge made a ruling that might help decide that. According to the Philadelphia judge, Uber drivers are independent contractors, not employees. The Drive reports that a U.S. district judge ruled that Uber doesn't have enough control over drivers for them to actually be considered employees. So with that being said, can Uber be at fault for accidents in the future? Or is it the individuals driving the car? Well, I don't know what this person was doing with autonomous mode anyways, driving a taxi or an Uber, but maybe they could put that in the clause. Sounds like a bunch of headaches, and I'm glad they're dealing with it, not me. But what do you think about it? So Ford announced they're going to be using the Mustang in the Sprint Cup Series in NASCAR. It's about time. Welcome to the party. The Mustang will replace the Fusion, which is currently competing against Chevy ZL1, because that's fair. And we've seen Mustangs and Camaros in NASCAR in the past in the second tier series, but never in the Sprint Cup Series. My question is, why did they wait for the fans to leave before they made the cars really cool? A little too late. What do you think about it? As much as we hear about ride-sharing services like Uber and Lyft and autonomous technology taking over the planet of the automotive world, the numbers are saying that's actually not the case at all. The National Automobile Dealers Association did some research, and the numbers from both national surveys and focus groups show that at the end of the day, people still want the freedom and flexibility of controlling their life by owning their own car, and you can't blame them. It's America. And actually, millennials are no different. Only 19% will consider giving up their cars. Good job, millennials. Some other key stats are 89% of people prefer their own car over ride sharing, and 93% of people say cars are convenient to own despite maintenance and cost. So that's it. That's the numbers. Personally, I agree. I like ride sharing, I do, but I also like to own my own car. In today's world, with apps, you can rent out just about any kind of car you want. And Turo is another app that lets you rent a car, but they're people's personal cars, not rental cars, which means you can rent some pretty high-end cars. But what happens when you rent out your car and you get it back with thousands of dollars worth of damage? That's exactly what happened when this guy rented out his 2007 Porsche Cayman. After renting the car, he got it back in less than perfect condition, to say the least. There was over $2,500 worth of damage in the bodywork. Now it's up to him, the customer, and the insurance to get it fixed. The question is, would you rent out your car? Sounds like somebody couldn't make their payment. So in that situation, I don't blame them. But otherwise, it doesn't seem like it makes a lot of sense to me. Thanks for watching PowerNation Daily, everybody. I'm Gannon Pritchard. Let us know what you want to see. Hit us up on social media. Stop by PowerNationTV.com and check out all the how-to that you can handle. We'll see you guys real soon. Have a good day.